And we had two Ducatis on our group ride today. Vlad had his sport bike number 21. And Mike, Fast Mike, of course, had his Ducati Monster. And Dennis had a really nice Aprilia. And we had a ride. It just couldn't have been nicer today. The summer has definitely ended. There's still a few leaves on the trees. It's chilly. And we want to ride every chance we get. This morning, we're in the 40s. But it is going to go into the 50s by lunchtime. So it is going to be a little chilly in the morning. I don't know if anybody's going to show up for the ride. It won't really matter. I want to get out on the open road. This is still part of the year where you still can get decent rides in. And there's still a few leaves on the trees. Oh, on a cold morning. Warm muffins right from the oven. Karen, the guys are going to love you. And these will be coming right out of the oven just as anybody that joins us for the ride gets here. On these cold mornings, the poor birds are hungrier than I am. Oh my God. There's still some nice leaves on the tree. But you never know, this could end overnight. It is really cool this morning. This is about as cool as it's been this year, early in the morning. Now we'll see who shows up. You're the first one here. The muffins aren't even ready to serve yet. Look at this, what a day. Vlad's on the way, but they couldn't get Dennis's bike started. They're having a problem getting his bike started.
I brought...
Who said Wolfman Jack is dead?
I brought a fast bike, but something tells us it's going to be a slow ride.
Whoa! You got your new bike here?
No, I got that parked. I'm getting ready to trade it in.
What's funny, he sends me an email, Karen, about I can't ride my new bike because I'm putting too many miles on it. I said, that's what Karen says about me. Too many miles. Oh, it looks like the gang's all here, so to speak. Oh my God. The idea is to come slothfully and not wake up the dogs. I guess they didn't get the memo. Hey, the muffins are in the oven, kids. How are you? I'm good. Fast Mike is here already. So Dennis doesn't believe in the battery chargers. Oh my God.
Well, I do because this one didn't die. It was on the charger.
Oh yeah. I got all 7 on the charger. I don't fool around. Let the electrical bill go up. Oh, those muffins are gonna taste so good.
Yeah.
Oh, we're like in Moscow here. How cold is it in Brooklyn by the water?
Not bad.
Not bad? It wasn't bad yesterday I was out.
Oh, yesterday was like hot.
Yeah, it was beautiful. Oh, God, it was
yesterday
beautiful.
Was like summer.
Yeah, I couldn't believe it. So Fast Mike made it. He got a new Kawasaki, but he don't want to ride it. He said he's putting too many miles on it. Can you imagine? What do you buy a bike for if you don't want to put miles on it? It's like buying food. I don't want to eat it because
nice. Very nice.
That's his new Ducati.
That's who? That's mine.
So it looks like the gang is all here. The pumpkins are all here.
Karen doesn't think it's ripe, but it's ripe.
Karen takes care of you, and she says you never send her an email thanking her. Is that true? Yeah, not once did she get an email. Thank you for those delicious muffins. Oh my God.
I thank her through you.
Oh, no, that doesn't count.
That doesn't count.
Doesn't count.
Thank you.
So is the warranty on those muffins running out very quickly?
Yes,
now remember, the way this works, any ones you don't eat, that's my lunch when I get back. Mike never has trouble eating the muffins.
There'll be any left.
What's your figure? We're gonna eat everything.
Mike?
I'm with the leather crowd because the Ducati guys ride with their textile guys.
What do you mean textile guys?
They don't wear leather, they wear textile protective clothing.
Who rides with no leathers? Those guys you were chasing when you had the accident?
No, they wear leather. The multi-strata guys, they don't wear. They wear textile for the most part.
I'd rather wear leathers.
I'd rather wear leather too.
All right, let's show the technique here. Let's show the technique.
This is that's how you adjust the valves on a GS. Make sure there's 5 thousandths in between the spools. This This is in honor of Jim Skinner. We're going to adjust the valve.
Windy.
Unbelievable.
Can you help me out with the, remember the rear plate on my BMW?
Yeah.
Crack, and you put the carbon
You
fiber.
want to just fix it?
Yeah, I got
Leave it here.
I don't have it with
Oh, bring it.
I'll bring it over because
Yeah.
I'm selling it, so it cracked that piece again,
We'll fix it. All right.
but I need to get the thing fixed.
Our plan is always to try to do as much back roads and as few highway miles as we can from my house to Rockaway Bagel. We have several different ways that we can get there through these little villages and hamlets and everything, and up along the lakes by Faison Lake, but it's always a nice ride. And early in the morning, especially on days like today, it's scenic, it's cool, it couldn't be a better temperature, and still some leaves on the trees, the sky is blue. Everything about this day just was a perfect riding day. And having 5 bikes in a ride is just about the right amount that I like. You get more than 5, it gets a little, it turns into the Hells Angels. And less, we turn into MotoGP. So Jim meets us up here, and it's famous Rockaway Bagel. The girls are waiting for us, poison us with bagels. Dennis has his Aprilia today. Vlad's got his Ducati. Mike's got the Ducati Monster.
We got oncoming cars over there.
And he's going to California on his Triumph with those obnoxious loud mufflers.
Oh, yeah.
Man, I could hear you a mile away. Isn't that horrible? When guys have loud bikes, that's terrible.
Get you some BB killers for your birthday.
Give him some Halloween candy. And Vlad's got to check in with witness protection. Aren't they beautiful motorcycles? Aren't they gorgeous? Don't you wish we were younger? Good. Where's Liz when we need her? Who's got Liz's phone number? Call her up. Oh, Vlad's talking to her already. Oh my God, what a day this turned out to be. Wow. Look at that sky, not a cloud. Perfect temperature, just cool enough. Keep the leathers buttoned up. Oh, what a day, what a day. What a day, hey.
What a day.
You must have went to church this week.
No, we usually
Vodka straight up.
He gets everything but us with bagel with butter on it.
Oh, I
Come on. Your fan club wanted me to say hello to you.
Hello.
Say hello, give them a little jiggle.
Careful, they're gonna fall in love with me.
They are in love with you already. So as always, the people at Rockaway Bagel just couldn't be nicer. Motorcycle friendly. No more sport bikes going by. Very, very nice day. Good to see Mike. Now Mike's got a new Kawasaki 1000, and he didn't want to. He just came back from Vermont. He put 1,000 miles on it, 800, 1,000 miles. So he wanted to ride this today, but I want to see his Kawasaki. But he's already thinking about getting the 1100, not the 1000, so who knows. And Guy, he's ready to go to California, working on his Triumph, working on a track bike day and night. We should see that soon, one of these days. Dennis's APRILIA. And we're going to take the back way back home. The roads are just beautiful today. A little bit slippery with the leaves if you get caught up in a lot of leaves, but just a beautiful, beautiful, memorable day.
So,
All right,
in Kiev,
Vlad, take a breath. Take a breath.
and then they start, listen, and then they start.
Are you running for office this week?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Ambassador to Ducati. Ambassador to the
A
bagels.
heart attack, Vlad. We got riding to do.
We're going to suit up, head out, head back, all back roads. We have had a day to remember. So I hope you did enjoy the video, enjoy sharing a day with the new 18, the new rebuilt, rejuvenated, reconstructed, rebondoed, whatever we are. We're still having fun, and every one of the bikes that we ride with, we just have a great time. Doesn't seem to matter what bike the guys are riding. Every one of the people in the group has more than one bike. And we always enjoy hanging out with Jim Skinner. He has got some interesting things coming up this winter. He's now got 3 GSs. We haven't even decided what we're going to do to them or what he's going to do to them. I don't know. But anyway, we do enjoy a day like today on the back roads. And it just couldn't be a lot nicer than this. The weather was perfect. The muffins were great. The bikes ran great. Nobody wound up in a ditch. Not a lot not to like here. Anyway, and I hope you do enjoy all our videos. Thank you for supporting the channel. And please hit the like button. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button if you did, and thank you so much for watching.